Do you want to become your own boss, work your own hours, and become financially independent? Here are some tips to help you start your own local courier business. A courier business can be a lucrative venture with a relatively low overhead. Your biggest expense is often your delivery drive time and fees associated with your vehicle, from liability insurance to mileage to maintenance. There are 6 steps to starting your own courier business. 1. Choose the right vehicle. To start your courier service, you will need a reliable source of transportation to deliver packages. 2. Buy the right equipment. Having the right equipment will make your courier delivery business more efficient and save your back from the pain of carrying boxes. The type of equipment that you need will depend in part on the types of items that you will pick up and deliver for your customers. 3. Name your business. The name you come up with is representative of your business values and mission. Before you decide on a name, make sure you check with the Secretary of State in the place where you want to do business to make sure the name is not already taken by another business. 4. Insure your business. Your courier company will need business insurance for your vehicle, cargo insurance, and possibly liability insurance as well. Having an insurance policy is also essential for building trust with customers. Many businesses and individuals will avoid working with a courier service that is not properly insured. 5. Market your courier services. Now that you have your vehicle, equipment, and a name for your courier service, it's time to start marketing. You can first communicate with your friends and family to start off using your social media networks like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You should create a business page on each of these social media properties. 6. Save your receipts. As a small business owner, tracking your expenses is very important. Some expenses related to operating your courier business may be used as a tax write-off. You should also keep track of the miles you drive, as this can be used as a tax write-off as well in some cases. Now that you have a basic understanding of how to start your courier service, the next step is to find clients, or you can start off contracting with the United States Postal Service. I will discuss that later in the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell to be notified of new small business content. Getting new courier contracts may seem intimidating at first, especially if you're new to the delivery service business. The great news is that there are many different ways to find and attract potential clients. One way courier companies find contracts is by contacting potential clients directly. A good approach is contacting local businesses that already offer delivery services to see if you could offer them a better, or more affordable, solution. This might include restaurants, breweries, and pharmacies. The U.S. Postal Service's contract delivery services is a contractual agreement between the U.S. Postal Service and an individual or company for the delivery and collection of mail. The typical service required at the local post office will involve sorting mail for the route, driving to the route, delivering mail and parcels to specified addresses, picking up collection mail, and returning to the post office. The contract route will operate 6 days per week, Monday through Saturday, with possible Sunday deliveries, and may include holidays. The carrier is required to use their own vehicle for mail delivery service. Contract delivery service carriers are not U.S.P.S. employees, but are independent contractors who provide service on specific routes. There are 5 advantages to being a courier driver. 1. Personal freedom. 2. Change of locations. 3. Interesting people. 4. Daily variety. 5. You can make good money. Please check out the links in the description box for additional resources to help you start your own courier business. Thank you for watching. Feel free to post questions in the comments section. Your engagement is very important.